welcome back to Nifty Network. Today, we have the DJI Microphone 2. We record a lot of cars, so pretty much what we're trying to do is capture the essence of not only the visuals, but the audio. So, let's break this open. So one of the things that we do is we record a lot of turbo sounds and engine sounds, and whenever we're recording, like let's say a 240 or any of these cars back here, you'll be able to hear the audio quality. So let's see what this looks like inside. A lot of people have been buying these microphones for interviews and things like that, but because we're an automotive channel, what we do is we record a lot of high quality video, and we want to match that with the audio. This has 32-bit flow, and 32-bit flow is pretty much like having a raw photo. So I'm actually really excited about this. Wow. Comes with a case, a really nice case actually. We've used the first version of these microphones and they were okay. However, they clip a lot, so they don't really work really well with an exhaust. So with this, we'll try it out today and see what happens. So we've got this nice gray case. It's got like a little click thing, so you can't just accidentally open it. It needs to be charged, but it looks like it's powering up right now. Ooh. This looks so good. Oh man. So we also have the Rode mics. We've been using these for a while. They work really good when you're talking, but again, when you clip it to a vehicle, they clip a lot. So we want to make sure that we're getting the best audio possible. So what we're going to do with these is we're going to put one of these in the engine bay. We're going to put the other one on the exhaust so that we can have both of the audios together and then sync it up in post and figure it out. So the reason why I say sync it up in post is because I'm used to using separate microphones where you have to sync everything. But actually, this transmitter does all of that for you into the camera, which is really cool. And it actually records the audio separate on these. So while we're driving, we'll probably lose signal, but there's no problem because this will record internally. So that is groundbreaking. Like that is going to make a big difference for us. So another thing that's really cool about this is that we can actually connect it to the bottom of our iPhones. So when we're doing like simple little content that we want to post, that will be able to work as well. Also has the connection for an Android. Well, I don't think it'll work with this one because I have a case. Let's see. Oh, it actually works with the case too. Yeah, I probably have to activate it before it works. But that's cool that it still works with the case though.
Yeah, so he just took the Apple adapter out. This one is the Android one.
Yeah.
I won't pull that one out. But it snaps right onto the receiver and connects right onto the iPhone super easily. So we're going to definitely try to use this on the iPhone as well and see how that goes.
And then if you have an iPad, you can connect it to the iPad Pro too.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. So
I don't know who records video with an iPad Pro, but you could do it.
Yeah. That's the only option, right?
Yeah. Comes with some charging cables, a dead cat or a dead mouse, whatever you prefer to call it. And these will definitely come in handy with those wind noises as we're having these on the back of vehicles and there's a lot of wind, or even in the engine bay, you'd be surprised how much wind is actually in the engine bay. So we're gonna go outside and test these out and let us know what you think. Alrighty, so we're gonna take these DJI mics and we're gonna attach them to the back of two different Nismos. We're gonna see what the audio sounds like. Let's do it. So we're gonna clip them here. We don't have any license plates on, so this makes it a whole lot easier to clip. Obviously, you will have a license plate. So here's the other one. So we're gonna hit the record button on the side. So you see that it's red, it's recording. This is 350Z audio. All right, we got it locked in. We are also recording with the Osmo on the Q70. So we are testing out the DJI Microphone 2 on the iPhone, and the only problem is if you have a case on it, sometimes it will disconnect. But I'm going to give this mic over to Zach, and he's going to tell us what you're doing. So,
hi guys, I am currently cleaning up the cuts on the subframe for the FDF rack relocation kit for this G37 coupe. I just had the clearance right here for the actual tie rods themselves. And then I had to clearance a little part right here on the corner so that the bracket can sit all the way down on the subframe. And now, as you can see, it's completely flat on the bottom of the subframe. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to test fit the rack and the upper portion that sits on the motor mounts themselves.
I just hopped into this.
Yeah, I was like, oh, dude, you should have came on this side.